Hey editors, want this AE-like text animation in Blurrr? Open Blurrr and get ready with your clips. Click on text and type your text. Choose the font for your text and adjust it till the end of your clip. Click on FX and add the turbulence effect. Click on the effects settings. Complexity 3. Contrast 100. Brightness 70. Scale 15. In angle, put 2 keyframes, one keyframe at the start of the text and the other at the end. The value for the first keyframe is -15, and the for the other is 75, speed 2, default 120. In offset X, put 2 keyframes, one keyframe at the start of the text and the other at the end. The value for the first keyframe is 33, and for the other is 22. Perspective is on and invert is off. Now add the HDR effect. In HDR, you can choose the color of the text. I'm going with green. Intensity 100 and exposure also 100. Now add the shadow highlights effect. Shadow is 100 and the highlight is also 100. Add the shadow effect from the FX section. I prefer the color black. Angle -28. Distance 5. Feather 25. Noise 0 and opacity 100. Now add the turbulence displace effect. Intensity 15. Size 0.2. Offset X 65, Y 70, speed 10, default 0 and complexity 10. Now add the wipe effect. Start 0. In ending, put 2 keyframes, put one keyframe at the start and the other as you desire. I'm going to put the other keyframe in the end. The value for the first keyframe is 100. For the other, it is 5. Offset 0, angle 0, feather 16. And invert is off. I missed one step, so let's see to it. Go back to the turbulence effect, go to angle and select the slow in graph. One more thing, you can select the color of your text by going to the HDR effect and selecting the color of your choice. That's it for the tutorial. We're done. If you found this tutorial helpful, then please consider subscribing and liking. See you in the next tutorial.